Morning guys, June 1st. This one here I gotta go check out a couple of air conditioners in the house. Go check them out, make sure they're running okay. I like shit, mama. Anyway, we'll go over there, we'll try to get you some shots, we'll get it up and running, check this up cool, and a couple of mini splits there. We'll check the filters on the mini split, make sure the filters are clean. The old gas and go. Give it the old gas and go. We'll try to get you some shots. A couple of houses down here I gotta check. We'll give you some dinosaur juice. Guys, we gotta pull this out. So yeah, I got extra filters. See if this filter's good, and then we'll run it. It's a first company unit. Just got a piston. This is the first floor one. We'll check it. It's a little dirty. We'll put a new one in there. You want to put the reinforcement towards the fan. Not easy being cheesy, mama. $20 by $22 1/4 by 1. It's an odd size. When I get it like that, I just usually get a box of them and leave them here, right? They need to be changed. I got 4 extra ones there ready to go, so. Alright, so our wet bulb's 55, indoor wet bulb. We're about 67 in here now, which is, doesn't have a lot of load, but we'll run it and check it. We'll check the AC. 55 on a wet bulb, right? It's a Goodman. Say 56 under a wet bulb and 75. We're about 6 degrees superheat is what we want there, right? Degrees superheat. flow there, see it? We gotta put some in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oil looks clean. I'm gonna add some more. See, our suction pressure is low and our superheat's a little bit higher. So we'll get some Freon 22. Alright, so I'm going to open this. I'm going to bleed it here to get rid of the air. Alright, and then we're going to open this and put gas in because it's 22. We'll put gas in because it's a full refrigerant. And by putting gas in, we're going to bring the superheat down because it's a piston. And we're going to bring this up. Putting gas in it now. Give it a little charge. Superheat, subcooling's higher than I like to see, but this coil's clean. It might be the piston inside that's not the right size. We're gonna give it some juice. We're giving it some Freon. Gonna bring it up. Bring that superheat down, and that will bring up that. It's gonna bring up the suction pressure. If you want to overcharge it, put a little bit in there, let it stabilize. Alright, let me shut it off and we'll see where we're at. Yeah, 55's lower than I like to see. Could be the returns, could be a bunch of things. But we have to bring this down. Usually keep an eye on this. When this starts dropping, we know it's starting to come back. A little bit more juice. Things aren't always perfect out there. I mean, you got to do the best you can. You know, rob from Peter to pay Paul to get it the best you can. That's how it's going to be done. Nothing's going to be perfect out there. Well, sometimes it is, but not always. This is mix-mash equipment, right? Obviously. First company unit, and then this Goodman outside, so it's not matching equipment. You can see this is starting to drop here, right? So I'm not going to give it any more until we stabilize. You guys see that? So see, we're coming down here with our superheat. We don't want to give it no more than that. This is still lower than I like to see. Like I said, things aren't perfect out there. Now, if I give it more gas, this could start coming back to zero and then flood the compressor back. We don't want to do that either. But this is definitely lower than I like to see. See, we're already coming back almost at freezing there. See at 39? I don't want to give it any more. We gave it a little bit, tweaked it a little bit, did the best we could of what we have to work with. We're going to leave it there. See, this is almost at freezing. We're going to leave it right there. See, the superheat is pretty low. That's as good as it's going to get right there. I'd like to see this higher, but we changed the filter. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's going to be our final right there. And that one, that's 22. That's as good as that one's going to get today. 410A, I have replaced this. They're supposed to cut this. They're supposed to cut this back, which they never did. I really should just cut this son of a bitch. Give it the old how you doing on my own here, you know. Alright, we'll put this to 72 for now. That's good. I'm gonna check the second floor one. I just changed this unit Probably November or something like that I changed it, so I'll have to get this down. I know the filter's still clean. It's on cooling automatic. It's the first company unit up in the attic up there. I know the filter's good. I just changed it recently. The filter. We'll check it outside. I know I didn't change the line set on this thing, so I don't know what the story is with that, but I'll have to keep an eye on it. I didn't change the line set on this one. This is 410A. This one's got a TXV, so we gotta go by the subcooling. It's not that warm up there, but see our subcooling at 9, right around 9. Our suction pressure is a little low, but it's cool up there. It's not that hot. So we're good. You see our subcooling? We're good there. So this system's not leaking. It's put in a couple of years ago. See our subcooling right around 9. That's fine. On a warmer day, this would be higher, the suction pressure. I didn't change any of the ductwork. I just changed the air handler and the condensing unit. Left the line set. So I'm good with that charge. We're good with that. That one's fine. Make sure I shut these off. They'll blink and then they'll shut off. Make sure they shut off so they drop out. Every time you take that off, I mean, you lose some on the refrigerant. Putting it in, leaking it, you know, putting it in, taking it off. You lose some of your charge. It's just how it is. But that one's fine. Everything dropped out there, see it? Got some good caps on this thing, so it don't leak. Rubber's in there, right? I'm gonna go without a rubber. It's not really a good day to check the air conditioner. There's not really a lot of load on it, but this one's fine. Welcome to the jungle, baby. Welcome to the jungle. Here I just got to check the filter upstairs on this, make sure it's clean. It's only 68 in here. On a warmer day, that would be, the suction pressure would be higher. I'll leave it on a 74. There's the first company unit that's been changed. See the return? It's only got one return coming up, which is not enough for that. That's why the suction pressure is low. I just want to check the mini split. Their filter's fine. They're not even running this unit. I'm not even running it. What the hell we got here? Oh, it's got a lock on it. Son of a bitch. I like to take a view. See if we can get a... Whoa. Holy shit, look at that front view. What a view, huh? Holy shit, mama. Holy mackerel in there. There's the ocean right there, see it? Yeehaw!